Hi, if you'd like to see what I eat in a day to lose 128 pounds on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan, be sure to watch this video. Hi, my name is Patty. Thanks for clicking on my channel, Winning at Weight Loss. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. Today I'm going to take you along on what I eat in a day to lose 128 pounds. I'm going to take you for breakfast, lunch, and dinner, probably a few snacks, and also what I do in the day. So if you'd like to see, come on along and share the day with me. So for breakfast this morning, I'm going to make some oatmeal. I'm going golfing after breakfast, so I thought I would eat something that will give me some energy to make it through those golf holes. So I'm going to take a half a cup of quick cooking oats, and then I'm going to add a half a cup of unsweetened vanilla almond milk. I'm going to add some sugar-free maple syrup to sweeten it up. Then I'm going to microwave it for about a minute and 30. I'm going to put a little more milk in it to cool it off. And then I'm going to put some birthday cake granola on it, and I'm going to use 1 tablespoon. The granola gives it a little crunch, so I'm going to add that, and that is going to be 2 points worth of granola. Having my breakfast in the car, got to get to my tea time. I'm having my oatmeal, and I'm also having my iced coffee to go, so that's my breakfast for this morning. I'll see you on the golf course.
Hang on, hang on, hang on. Oh, good speed though. Come on, make this.
All right.
Oh, tough beat.
So we're done with golf, and now we're going to have lunch at a local restaurant called Goodies. I like Goodies. So I got a salad for lunch. As a side, I'm going to take off the croutons because they're really hard. And some poppy seed dressing. A little tip is to dip your fork inside the salad dressing instead of pouring it on the salad. I ordered Hawaiian chicken, grilled chicken with pineapple teriyaki sauce, some rice, and corn. So I figure this is probably about 6 points for the rice. 1 point for the sauce, so 7-point lunch. So I ended up bringing half of my meal home, so that cuts the points in half. I have the chicken, a piece of pineapple, some corn, and the rice is underneath. So that is a great way to save on points when you go out to a restaurant. Put half of your meal in a to-go container. So I'll probably have it tomorrow for lunch. So I'm back from golf, and I'm just sitting out here on the patio having an iced coffee. I threw a load of clothes to wash, and then after I finish this, I'm gonna go take a walk around the lake. I got about 3,500 steps on the golf course. We had a cart, but I also walked as much as I could. And any of you like to golf? Comment below on what you like, what kind of sports you like to do other than walking, or what you do to get exercise in. I really enjoy golfing, so that's what I did today. And then we went out to lunch and came home, do some stuff around the house. Got to edit a video, and that is my plans for today. So I'm out taking a walk again. Sometimes it feels like I spend a lot of my time trying to get my 10,000 steps in and focusing on the food I eat. I just wonder if anybody else feels like that. Do they Do you feel like you focus a lot of your time on staying on plan? It's probably a good idea to keep it in the forefront, but I know trying to get 10,000 steps a day is always something that really takes a lot of effort, and I know it helps because I want to make sure I get my fitness in, but I just wonder if anybody else ever tries to do that, or do you do it all at once? Walk on a treadmill? Do you take outside walks, or what you do to get 10,000 steps if that's your goal? Please comment below and let me know. I'm curious because I do feel like I'm spending a lot of time trying to get my steps in. Maybe I should walk faster. But that's what I'm doing right now, is getting a walk in the afternoon so I can finish another walk up tonight. Even in the early part of my journey, I always focused a lot. It's not just, I know I probably with my YouTube channel, I do a little bit more of focusing on getting my goals because it motivates me to stay on track and planning meals and things like that. But I always, when I have that 10,000 step goal, I always focus on trying to get those steps in. I remember I would walk around at lunchtime, and then I can remember myself walking in place just to get my 10,000 step goal in at night, or I would do fitness walking videos, which I do sometimes if the weather's bad. Normally I like to walk outside though. It is worth it to get those steps in because any extra exercise you get in will always help with your weight loss. I appreciate the fact that I have this nice spot to walk in. That's what I like to do, a nice warm sunny day. When I get back from my walk, I'm gonna have some watermelon. I had cut some up last night. I bought a new one, so that's what I'm gonna have for a little afternoon snack. Here's my little after walk snack. I'm having some watermelon I bought yesterday, cut it up, and I like to put salt on my watermelon. Does anyone else enjoy salt on their watermelon? I think it makes it sweeter, just a little bit. So that's what I'm having for my snack, 0 points. I really think watermelon is my favorite fruit. I like watermelon, cherries, and pears, I think are my top 3. I do not like cantaloupe though, but watermelon is my favorite. What's your favorite fruit? Comment below. I think watermelon is so good when it's refrigerated, and it's just refreshing fruit for summer. For dinner, I cut up some potato wedges, and I put a little bit of olive oil on them, and I put some spices and some paprika, and then I cut up some turkey kibasi, and I'm going to cook them in the air fryer for about 30 minutes at 400 degrees, and they should come out nice and crispy. I'm adding the potatoes and the turkey kibasi to the air fryer, and then I will close the lid, and it will cook for about 20 minutes. We'll see how it goes after that. So this is my dinner. I'm having some broccoli, sugar-free ketchup, the air-fried potatoes and sausage, and some baked beans. I probably overcooked the turkey sausage a little bit, but I wanted to get it crispy. But that's what I'm having for dinner, and I'll put the points on the screen. It's after dinner, and I'm taking a walk. Get my rest of my steps in for the day. Dinner was good. Even though it looked a little burnt, it was good. And I would make that again. I just want to watch the air fryer on the cooking time. But it crisps up the sausage, and the potatoes were really good. Get my 10,000 steps in for the day. I'm at 8,500. So let's finish it up. So I'm going to make some scoopable apple pie in the slow cooker.
That sounds good.
I'm going to spray the slow cooker. Then I peeled and sliced 8 cups of Granny Smith apples. Then I dissolved 2 tablespoons of cornstarch in 3/4 cups of water. Next is 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 4 tablespoons of monk fruit sweetener, 1.5 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And I'm going to mix it all together, and I'm going to sprinkle some more cinnamon on it just because I like cinnamon. I always put extra on my apples when I'm making apple pie. And I'll cover the slow cooker high for an hour and a half. Then we'll have some hot apple pie. Scoopable. There's my scoopable apple pie. It smells yummy. I wish we had smell-o-vision video here. So here's my last snack of the day. I'm having a bowl of scoopable apple pie that I made. I'm crumbling up an vanilla pizzelle for some crunch, and then 1 tablespoon of sugar-free Cool Whip. And that is a 1-point dessert or snack. And that'll be it for today. So that's it for today's What I Eat in a Day video on the Weight Watcher Blue Plan. I ended up with using 23 out of 24 points available, so I have a 1-point carryover. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so you can be notified of every time I upload a new video. Remember, we're here to eat healthy, get fit, and be well. This is Patty, and I'm winning at weight loss. Thanks so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!